In today's video, you'll watch a real lifestyle conversation between two office colleagues discussing work-related tasks. Listen closely, repeat after the speakers, shadowing, and improve your fluency, pronunciation, and confidence in workplace English. Hey, got a minute? Yeah, what's up? I've been looking at the client report we need to submit by Friday. There are a few sections that seem a bit off, especially the sales data for quarter two. Did you double check the numbers against the CRM? I did. The figures don't match with what was presented in last month's meeting. That's odd. Maybe the marketing team updated something after the meeting and didn't circulate the new numbers? Possible. I was thinking of reaching out to Priya. She might have the latest version. Good idea. She's usually on top of these things. Let me know what she says. If needed, we can loop her into our update call tomorrow. Perfect. Also, do you think we should tweak the presentation layout? The last slide looks cluttered. I noticed that too. Maybe we can break it into two slides, one for achievements and another for pending tasks. That works. Want me to handle that? Sure, and send it to me once done. I'll proofread and make sure it aligns with our branding. Sounds good. Thanks. Always easier when we work on it together. Anytime. Let's crush this deadline. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more engaging conversations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned and take care.